In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app colors in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your app's accent color so it matches your brand and feels more polished for your users. First, open your browser and go to Glide. This is where all your projects live and where you'll make the change. When you arrive, sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the workspace that contains the app you want to edit, especially if you manage multiple projects. Once you're in, open the project you want to update. You'll see your app's editor with all the configuration options. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right project, since the color change will affect how buttons, links, and interactive elements appear to your users. At the top, click Settings. This is the control center for your app's global options. If you see different panels or menus in the editor, look for the settings label at the top so you're adjusting the app level settings, not just a single screen or component. Inside Settings, click Appearance. Appearance is where Glide groups all of the visual preferences for your app. Here, you'll find the controls that influence the overall look and feel, including the accent color. The accent color is what Glide uses for key UI elements, such as buttons, highlights, and focus states. Now, change the accent color. You can select a color from the palette, or enter a specific hex code if you have brand colors you need to match. As you adjust the color, glance at your preview to make sure it looks great across different parts of your app. Aim for good contrast so text and icons remain readable. This is important for accessibility and a professional finish. If you're unsure, try a slightly darker or lighter shade to balance vibrancy with clarity. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This step makes your change live for users. If you're collaborating with a team, it's a good idea to double-check the preview before publishing. But once you confirm, your updated accent color will be visible to everyone who uses your app. If you need to tweak it later, you can always return to Appearance and adjust it again, then publish once more. That's it. Your Glide app now reflects your chosen color and feels more aligned with your brand. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.